Hi everyone, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum. Now that the Caribbean Premier League T20 tournament is over, we can focus our attention on a very exciting ODI series coming up between England and Australia. इस सीरीज़ में टोटल 3 गेम खेले जाएंगे ऑन द 11th, 13th एंड 16th और ये सारे गेम्स विल बी प्लेड एट जस्ट वन वेन्यू दैट इज़ द ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड मैनचेस्टर. जी हाँ, ये वही ग्राउंड है जहाँ पे लास्ट टाइम इंडिया ने अपना ओडीआई खेला था बैक इन 2019. जी हाँ, ये वही ग्राउंड है जहाँ पर इंडिया नॉकआउट हो गया था अगेंस्ट न्यूजीलैंड ड्यूरिंग द सेमीफाइनल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कप 2019. एंड जी हाँ, ये वही ग्राउंड है जहाँ पे हमने अपने धोनी को आखिरी बार इंटरनेशनल गेम खेलते हुए देखा था. सो या a very very special ground for 1.3 billion Indians. Anyhow, चलिए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ 4 क्रिकेट बेटिंग टिप्स शेयर करूंगा एंड होपफुली ये बेटिंग टिप्स आपके किसी फ़ायदे में रहेंगी एंड यू कैन यूज़ देम टू मेक सम मनी. बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट शेयरिंग सम क्रिकेट बेटिंग टिप्स, मैं आपके साथ कुछ ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड वेन्यू के स्टैट्स शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. यहाँ पे पहला ओडीआई खेला गया था वे बैक ऑन द 24th of August 1972, सो इट्स अ प्रीटी ओल्ड ग्राउंड. अब तक 52 गेम्स हो चुके हैं एंड आउट ऑफ 52, 26 गेम्स दैट इज़ 50% गेम्स इंग्लैंड ने जीते हैं. सो दे हैव अ प्रीटी डिसेंट रिकॉर्ड. हाईएस्ट स्कोर इस पे रहा है 397 that was scored by England against Afghanistan during the ODI game at the World Cup, and the lowest has been 45. And also on an average, a team scores 4.5 run every single over. So these are very important stats. अब चलते हैं इंग्लैंड की सबसे ख़ास बात, that is the weather. तो ये है इस सीरीज़ का वेदर रिपोर्ट एज ऑफ नाउ. On the 11th, it is mostly cloudy with 10% chance of rain. On the 13th, it is partly cloudy with also 10% chance of rain. And on the 16th, the third ODI, we are expecting some rain with 30% chances. Now, ये as of now का data है. England, as you know, the weather can change quite dramatically. But as of now, this is what we expect. The first and the second game doesn't look like it will get affected, but third game definitely there will be a lot of impact by the rain. What is very important to note is because there will be a cloud cover पूरे तीनों games में, the bowling team will get assistance, especially the pacers. So ये बात आपको ध्यान रखनी है जब भी आप बेट लगाएं, जिस तरह की भी बेट लगाएं, कि बारिश हो सकती है या वेदर क्लाउडी रहेगा तो उसकी वजह से पेसर्स को काफ़ी असिस्टेंस मिलेगा. तो ये बात ज़रूर जहन में रखिएगा एंड इट विल हेल्प यू टू पुट योर बेट वाइजली. चलिए अब हम बढ़ते हैं अपनी टिप नंबर 1 की तरफ. टिप नंबर 1, मैच विनर. एज ऑफ नाउ हेड टू हेड इंग्लैंड 62 गेम्स जीता है, वेयर एज 82 गेम्स हैव बीन वन बाय ऑस्ट्रेलिया. बट ये डेटा जो है ये थ्रू आउट द डेटा है जो अब तक जितने भी उन्होंने मैचेस साथ में खेले हैं, दैट इज़ 146, 2-9 रिज़ल्ट रहा है. लेकिन हम उस डेटा को यूज़ करके अब नहीं जज करना चाहते हैं. एज़ यू ऑल नो, इंग्लैंड एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज़ अ वेरी 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 स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम एंड ऑनेस्टली इस वक्त मुझे लगता है दैट इंग्लैंड इज़ इन अ मच बेटर बैटिंग एंड बॉलिंग पोजीशन. दे आर मच बेटर ओडीआई साइड. देयर इज़ अ रीज़न कि वो वर्ल्ड कप चैम्पियंस हैं. दे आर एन एक्सीलेंट टीम राइट नाउ. हैविंग सेड दैट, ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज़ ऑल्सो अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम एंड विद एरन फिंच, वार्नर, स्टीव स्मिथ and everybody chipping in with Maxwell, I think they are a very good team too. Having said that, I think you cannot decide on one particular team. It's going to be a very very close contest. So I would recommend, because it is a 50-50 chance, very high risk, I would actually recommend not to play. मैं आपको यही recommend करूँगा, इस पे bet ना लगाएं, because you really don't know what will happen. The game can turn around at any minute before or during the game. So please ideally avoid putting your bet on this particular question. Tip number 2, फर्स्ट इनिंग स्कोर. नाउ अब तक फर्स्ट इनिंग स्कोर जो मैंने कैलकुलेट किया है ओवर द लास्ट 6 games. नाउ लाइक आई सेड देयर हैव बीन 52 games ओवर सिंस द गेम स्टार्टेड हियर 1972 से, but if I would have taken the data from there, it would not have made any sense. So I have compiled the data पिछले last 6 games जो हुए थे 2019 में in the World Cup, and उस basis पे मैंने analysis किया है. तो पिछले 6 games जो हुए थे यहाँ पे वो 309 was the average first inning score, which means कि pitch बहुत अच्छी रहेगी. It will definitely support batsmen, but yes, do also keep that in mind कि cloud cover भी रहेगा, and whenever there will be a cloud cover, it will be little difficult for batsmen to score very well. As of now, Bet365 is giving us an option of 307 below and above. As always, I will recommend you not to put the bet before the game starts. Let the game begin and then put your number and your bet on 250 plus. I think 250 plus is definitely a very realistic target until and unless the bowlers can just do some magic. Otherwise, I think 250 plus should not be a problem for any of the teams. Both the teams are very, very strong. So I think that is when you can put your money. Of course, थोड़ा rate कम मिलेगा, but I think it's worth to put then because the risk is very, very less. Tip number 3. Will there be a century in the game? क्या इस मैच में 100 बनेगा? Now again, in the last 6 games that happened at this venue during the World Cup in 2019, 6 मैचेस में 4 मैचेस में सेंचुरी गई थी. And सिर्फ 2 games में नहीं हुई थी. One was the one that India versus New Zealand, which was also affected by rain. So that was the only game, and there was one another game. So I would think that considering the fact that both England and Australia has a very strong batting lineup and they're going to play on a good batting wicket, most probably there is a 80% chance that there will be a century. You are getting a good return on it, 1.83 on Bet365. So I will recommend you to put your hard-earned money because the chances are that you will win this bet. So consider it, think over it, and put your money. You will not regret. And lastly, tip number 4: total match fours. Now, average match fours in the last 6 games have been 43, and I would say that Bet365 is giving an option of 46. Now, जो 43 है, that was based on some low scoring games as well. Like I said, I don't expect the batsmen to not play well on a good batting surface. Batsmen have a very aggressive style. They are definitely going to score above 260, 270, 280 तो बहुत easily बनेगा. And when both teams will score that much, they are bound to hit a lot of boundaries. So I would certainly put my money on this. I will put my money on over 46 जो Bet365 फिलहाल option दे रहा है, and I'll put it, and I think it has a good 70% chance of returning the money back to me. So that I think is very, very good option. So I would recommend you to put your money in there as well, and you can make some money. Alright, तो ये थी मेरी 4 cricket betting tips before the series starts. I'm sure these tips will be applicable to all 3 games. ध्यान से फिर भी संभल के आप खेलिएगा क्योंकि हर गेम थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है. Use your knowledge as well, use skill and experience, and then accordingly make a bet. मैंने बहुत मेहनत से एनालाइज किया है इस डेटा को. Hopefully that will be of some use. I wish you all the very best. I hope you all make some money, and that's about it. At the end, the only thing I would like to say that अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, अगर आपको मेरी मेहनत अच्छी लगी, please like the video. It means a lot to me. Every time you will like, the YouTube will share it with more people, so ज़्यादा लोगों को पता चलेगा. And talking about sharing, please share with your friends and family जिनको भी cricket betting में interest है. Hopefully they will watch the video and they will also make some money. And अगर अब तक आपने subscribe नहीं किया है, I will appreciate अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करें, because there is so much going cricket that's happening. You would want to know how to make money, and I am with you to share some very interesting tips जिसको यूज़ करके you will make some money. So don't forget to subscribe. Alright, चलिए, I will make a very nice video very soon. Until then, I wish you a very nice evening. Hasta la vista. Khuda Hafiz.